Here we are again. It's been a while, hasn't it?
I've not been here for a very long time.
No, so we're at DMS Racing once again. We're going to be racing the Cougars. Now, I have done a few little bits to your car.
I saw your video.
You saw the video, but you've not seen the car. You've not used the car. So today's the day we go head to head and we see who wins.
I think you're a better driver. You're a faster driver. But I think I'm a better racer.
Right, well...
And when the cars are a little bit slower, that is true. I outrace you. But the faster the cars get, then you take over. So you're just basically, you had enough of me beating you, and that's why you've upgraded both the cars. End of story. That's it.
Well, they were too slow. Everyone knows that slow is boring.
They were too slow.
You say slow is fast, slow is boring.
You were stuck behind me. And even when you sped your car up, you were still stuck behind me. So you had to go brushless. So...
Well, time will tell.
You're a
Why are you
bender.
drinking that nonsense for anyway? It's bad for you.
Because
what? Listen, enough of that. Should we just get in?
apparently
Yeah.
it's called Pepsi Zero in the States.
Okay, the track is all set up. It's looking good. What I like about DMS is that we've got a slightly lower grip here. So it's a little bit more, I don't know, challenging, I guess, on the track. But a little bit of tyre wear, but yeah, it's all good. The jumps ain't too leery, quite nice. I ain't been here for ages. And we are running the old cars, the old Cougars. So, I don't know, see how we get on. Haven't seen already. This is my car here. And we've got the Orca set up. And I think it's going to go alright. I've got the Blue Con unit in there, so any dramas I can dial stuff down. I've turned everything up as I normally do, and it normally backfires on me, so we'll see how we get on. So that's my car. And this is Carl's car here. Would you like to show everybody what you've got on underneath the hood?
It's not what I left in it, is it?
No, because I've done a little bit to it, mate, to let you know.
So now we have got here, still got my e-tronic servo, budget servo. We've still got my Onyx batteries. Now these are 6550s.
Yeah.
That should get me 2 runs out of those, I reckon.
2 runs, mate.
2 runs, that's what I'm going for.
No dramas, no dramas.
I've got my Spectrum receiver to go with my Spectrum radio.
Upgrade that? No one likes Spectrum.
I'm going to be upgrading this year, I think.
Okay.
I've got my laps, transponder, hobby wing, ESC, and my lovely, beautiful Orca motor in the back there. But there's a few bits on it. I've noticed the front tyres, carbon fibre.
Yeah.
This is an upgraded steering linkage.
We've got you the Pro
these
transmission. We've got you the
silvery
new
drive shafts as well.
So I'd like to treat my friends.
Thank you.
Well, good luck. We'll see how we go.
Let's go.
Is missing. Body 3 is missing.
Right, this is his first outing with this car now since we've upgraded it. He's struggling, I won't lie. I think it's a bit quicker than it was, so he's got to get used to it.
So I've been out for practice and unfortunately the car ain't working properly. He's put it together wrong, I think. So he's trying to sort the diff out at the moment. I've tightened up the slipper a little bit. Hopefully I'll get some traction, because the thing is I'm trying to get over the jump at the end of the straight, and even on full throttle it's coming up short because I've got no drive. So let's see how the car behaves once it's set up, because at the moment, because I've got no drive, I think that's put me in the bottom heat for today.
It's just a case of I don't know, just getting used to it. What's happened now? Oh, what's happened? That's actually...
I don't think you built it right, boss.
I built it perfectly fine.
There was nothing wrong with this car, and now you're giving it back to me, and
You crashed it.
it's not supposed to do that.
So... Oh, that's not good. That's I don't look very strong though, this to be fair.
Right.
Oh.
Hey
Get
ho.
ordering some bits then, ain't we?
I think so. Well, I've got 1 run anyway.
Okay, we can video me now then.
Yeah, fair enough.
So a little bit of footage of my car going around. It was absolutely flawless. Had quite a good night. Felt a bit sorry for Carl. He didn't really get much of a run with his car. This was meant to be a head-to-head session with both Cougars. You might well have been keeping up with the journey with these two cars. They started off relatively stock and brushed, and then over time, not Carl, but I have been upgrading these cars to get a bit more pace out of them and to see how fast we can get them. But yeah, thoroughly impressed with this car. Did not disappoint. Really well hooked up. Can't wait for the outdoor season to begin. Right, it's now time for Carl's race. He made it into the C final, second on the grid. With one of the rounds that he did, I think the only round he did actually. So Carl's the second car coming around now, and that car has been lent by one of the amazing club members here, who felt very sorry for poor old Carl because he broke his car and everything. Oh, look at this! Got a nice little battle going on here. Can he get through again? I bet he does. Oh. He's waiting for his chance, you see, because there is, as Carl said, there he goes. As Carl said at the beginning, he's a good racer. He doesn't seem to let the red mist control any actions that he does. So he keeps calm, always on the rostrum. Never heard him shout at marshals or swear or anything like that. We all know that's a bit of a no-no, don't we? But yeah, it was a good night. This was meant to be our head-to-head night with our Cougars. We've been, if you're a regular to the channel, knowing that we've been souping them up, getting them ready for the outdoor season. Reached on his roof there. He got through though. I think there's an element of luck with this race, to be quite honest with him. A little bit wide off that top section, but he's still there. He's still out in front. Carl does actually go on to win this race. I mean, I've kind of given it away there, sorry, but I'm not going to play the whole video because he's kind of out on his own there, doing his own thing, enjoying his own race. But back to what I was saying, so we've got both the Cougars ready for the outdoor season. We've got one big event next week, being that is the Phil Booth Classic, which I'm thoroughly looking forward to. Ooh, straight on his roof there, but... yeah, that was some good race etiquette right there. He's away again, and he gets away. Look at that, straight through the pack. He's very, very lucky on this race. So yeah, we've got the Phil Booth event next week, which we're thoroughly looking forward to. That's one of the reasons we wanted to dial these cars in and give them a little bit of a shakedown. I'm super happy with the one, with my one. It was running reasonably well. Carl's run has had a lot done to it. We put new everything on it basically, and I think the first round the diff was loose, we tightened it up. Second round he got hit quite hard and then just clipped the barrier and consequently broke the suspension arm. So we've got some of those on order, ready for next week as well. That's not the only thing we're going to be doing. Obviously we're going to be getting out to the Iconic Cup. We've got 2 rounds of that this year, which I'm thoroughly looking forward to. We've got the Revival at Oswestry in September as well. We will be doing 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive as well. We are toying with the idea of doing another Popalong GP. Not too sure yet. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. We want to do a fair amount of vintage racing this year. That seems to be quite fun. I think the vintage scene is very good. It's a little bit more relaxed. And although the racing, is taken seriously, there's a lot of banter off the track, and the cars are just awesome. Let's be honest, they're not too edgy, not too quick, and a little bit more manageable for the likes of us oldies. So looking forward to that as well. I'm trying to think of anything else we've got going on, but we've got a few clubs we still got to go to. We've got to race this Tamiya TRF car that Mr. Fox has lent us, so we'll be doing that, and we're getting to some more indoor clubs as well before the season starts to sort of close down and whatnot. Anyway, thanks for all of you guys at DMS for having us. Love coming to that track. Great fun had by all. If you like what you see, please like, share, hit the old ding dong bell, that sort of old stuff. And hopefully we'll see you trackside soon. Enjoy your racing. Have a good one.